morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here again, back in our spotlight, the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so this is a continuation video of our review of menus and features of the IWO 68 smartwatch. This time we're going to test or check its sensors, whether it is working or not. Okay, this includes the blood pressure as well as the body temperature monitoring. Okay, so let's start. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, again, this is the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch that features magnetic charging. Wireless charging. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we have here the display screen. Let's access the different health functions here. Okay, so let's check. Again, we have different menu style here. Okay, we have the smart style. Okay, you see it here. And we have the other one. Okay, let's check it first. Okay, let's take a closer look at the different menus here. So I'm not really familiar with the different icons. Okay, let's go back to the menu option. Okay, this is, I think, oh, so this is like a voice command. Okay, so okay, let me check. Okay, where's that main menu options? Okay, so we have 4 apps, smart style, and 9 apps. Let's go back to the four apps, which is much easier to navigate. Okay, so I'm not really a fan of bubble type. Okay, menu. Okay, although it's a very popular option for those who have the Series 7 or Series 6 smartwatch. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's check. Where are we now? Let's look for the heart rate monitoring. Okay, so we have here the ECG. Okay, so here's the heart rate. Okay, measure complete. So let's start. Let's check. So it is detecting now. So let's see if it's going to work or not. So we have here the results, 73 BPM, measure complete. So it's not automatically checking your heart rate. You still have to activate it by tapping on the graphics here. Okay, so that's it for the heart rate monitoring. Again, for the sensor seal, especially the health sensors, the results are just for references and not really for a tool or results for diagnosing your health status. Okay, so we also have here the blood pressure. It's not a medical grade sensor here, but it's okay, a good addition to your wearable. Okay, it's now measuring. So let's check. Okay, so we have the results here. Another one. Okay. Okay, so that's it. We have 100/85. So that seems like that is normal. Okay, blood oxygen. Let's check. Okay, so start. Let's see. Is it okay? Let's see. now measuring. Okay, 97%. Okay, so the results, okay, shows up after less than just a minute. Okay, just a few 10-20 seconds, I think. So let's check how about the body temperature here. So we have 36. Is it working? Okay, let's check. Okay, we'll see. 36.3 Celsius. Okay, how about this one? Okay, let's see. We have an increase in body temperature. Okay, no. Maybe it's not working correctly. Or maybe it's just a fake sensor. We'll see. Again. Maybe we'll check it on the hot water next time. We'll see. Okay. It's not far from the normal. Okay, or the previous results here. Okay, we'll check. I'm going to check up on the hot water. Okay, and see whether it will work or not. Okay, we'll update you with the results. Okay, we also have, I don't know if I noticed that there's an ECG. Yes. So I don't know how it will provide you a result with the metal, okay, sensor here on the side, similar to other wearable. Okay, so it's that it detects your heart rate as well as the ECG here. I'm not sure if the result is pretty accurate or not. Okay, so as you can see here, it's still detecting. Okay, although I'm not laying it on my wrist. Okay, to app. Okay, again, let's see. Okay, we'll see. So far, the beats per minute here is not detecting any. It seems like, okay, as you can see here, it works, even though that I'm not using it. Okay, very disappointing. Seems like it's a fake sensor here for the IWO 68 Pro. You see it? It's still showing results. Seems like it's all animated here and really not a real sensor for the wearable. Okay, then let's check other options here. Body temperature, what are the other health sensors here? Okay, we don't have a breathing guide. Okay, so that's it for the health sensors. We also have a sports function. Check our previous video for the different sports activity for this wearable. Okay, so we have here the sedentary. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with it. Okay, let's see if this thing works, the games. Okay, let's go back to the games. Where are the games? Okay, so Ninja Climb. So, okay, how do you play this one? Okay, go back. fun. Again, let's try. Okay, so you tap on it. Okay, so that's how you play the game. Although it's very hard, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy playing this one. Okay, let's go back. Top Gun. How about this one? Okay, so okay, it's a shooting game, arcade shooting game. Okay. Okay, so that's how you play the game. Okay, it's not that responsive, and due to the small screen, yeah, let's try another one. Okay, go back, start game. Okay, okay, so it's just a simple game. Okay, but it's really, I think this smartwatch is really not built for this type of game. It's a little bit slow. Okay, anyway, still a good addition. If you get bored and want to play at least say few games on this wearable, so it has at least 2 games here. Okay, so that's it. The features, the health features, and of course the games available in the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. But it looks good. Okay, I just don't like the health functions here. Seems like it's not really providing, or it's not really detecting your health status, but instead it provides you fake. Okay, seems like an animated result, okay, of your health status. Okay, so that's it for the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Goodbye.